Welcome students of BA Part 2. All those students of BA Part 1 who have been promoted to BA Part 2 because of the coronavirus, the exams have not been held, and therefore all of you have been promoted to Part 2. So like last year, we will be continuing the classes on online mode, and in this first lecture I want you all to be familiar with the syllabus prescribed by University of Rajasthan for BA Part 2 examination 2021 English literature, so that you can go through the entire syllabus and buy the books prescribed in your syllabus, and we can start with the study. So like last year, in English literature you have two papers. Paper 1 is poetry and drama, and it consists of 3 sections, where you can see in the following syllabus that section A consists of some of the British poets, which are pre-romantic poets. So you will get all of these in one book, which is called Strings of Gold Part 1. So if you go to the market and you ask for Strings of Gold Part for BA Part 1 Rajasthan University, you will get the book where you have these poems by Gray, Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard. It's a long poem. Then we have William Blake's London and Tiger, 2 poems. And third, the most important romantic poet, William Wordsworth, whose poems The World is Too Much With Us, The Solitary Reaper, are prescribed in your course. S.T. Coleridge's The Ancient Mariner, which is again a very long ballad poem. Then we have George Gordon Byron, There is Pleasure in the Pathless Woods, and Shelley's Ode to the West Wind, and last is John Keats' To Autumn. So these are some of the pre-romantic poets of the British era, which is prescribed in your syllabus in section A. Then we come to section B, where we have some Indian poets like Nissim Ezekiel's. You have Night of a Scorpion by Nissim Ezekiel and Enterprise. Then we have a female writer, a feminist writer, Kamala Das, My Grandmother's House and The Looking Glass. And Arun Kolotkar's An Old Woman, The Bus and Chaitanya. And Ramanujan's Of Mothers, among other things, Obituary and a River. And Grieve Patel's On Killing a Tiger and Servants. So for this, the book which is there is 10-20th century poets, published by the Oxford University Press, and you can get all these poems together in that anthology. So you can go in the market and ask for the 10-20th century poets, which will have everything included in the section B of this Part 2 syllabus. The last section consists of a play by Ibsen, A Doll's House, and by Tagore, The Post Office. So this whole is the paper 1 of BA Part 2. The second paper, as always, consists of prose and fiction, and here we find that in section A you have some of the essays mixed from British and Indian writers, and it comprises of around 7 to 8 essays, and all these essays are available in one book, which you can ask in the market by the name of An Anthology of English Essays, which is written here on the reference books, which is edited by R.P. Singh. Section B will consist of Chaman Nahal's Azadi and William Golding's Lord of the Flies. This whole paper is of prose, and so you will find here essays and novels and drama, and Section C here consists of note making, summarizing, theme writing, like you had in first year also. So you can go through the last year's book, or you can buy one book called the Written Word here, written in the last, in the reference recommended readings. So this whole is your syllabus for second year, and in the next class we will be discussing about the pre-romantics. What are the main characteristic features of the pre-romantic poets, with special reference to the poets prescribed in your course, that is Gray and Blake. Moving on to the proper romantic poets like Wordsworth, Coleridge, Shelley, Keats and Byron. So one by one we will study each poet and the poem prescribed in your course. We'll go slowly, first reading the poem aloud. So I'll be sending to you the poem in case you don't have right now the books, but it is advisable that you just go and bring the books as per the syllabus because the classes have already commenced. So with this we come to an end of our lecture on